Perfection is the absolute killer of progress. Here's what happens before you start a new project or a venture or a business. It's important to get some knowledge, to get some information, but there's a point, and at that point you just have to jump. You just have to do the best you can at that time. If you try to wait, you're not going to take that action. To give you an example, if you've seen my first video on LinkedIn, you could barely see my face, right? I didn't have the best camera, I didn't even knew anything about lighting, but I just went with what I knew. Did a little bit of research, put the video, and now I have this YouTube channel. Who knows what the next step is going to be? So simplify whatever it is that you are trying to do and have a draft version and just go out with it. And let yourself know that it's okay, you don't need to be perfect, and you are going to get some feedback. And from that feedback, you could revise it. This is a much better strategy than waiting for everything to be perfect and then doing something about it. So even though you might not know how to talk with passive investors, get yourself educated. Set a time deadline that at the end of the month, I'm done with my education, and on the first of the month, I'm going to start reaching out to the investors. Or at the end of the month, I'm done with my marketing strategy. I'm going to go out there and execute it. So the goal is to basically take some action, get some feedback, and use that feedback to change your strategy, improve your action, and the cycle is going to take care of itself. And before you know, you'll be getting results. Hey, thanks for watching the video. I know you're getting some valuable information. Your support is invaluable for me to continue to put more awesome content out there to help you take your business and life to the next level. So if you could please subscribe to the channel, like the video, appreciate it much. See you in the next video.